Welcome back to Jonam and Friends channel. Today, we're looking at trigonometric functions and how we can transform them to create all sorts of amazing graphs. If you've ever wondered how changing a few numbers can totally alter the shape of a trigonometric graph, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about vertical shifts. This is when we move the entire graph up or down. If you have a function like y equals sine x plus d, adding a number d shifts the graph vertically. So if d is positive, the graph moves up. If d is negative, it moves down. Easy, right? Next, we have horizontal shifts, also known as phase shifts. When you change the function to y equals sine x minus c, the whole graph moves left or right. A positive c shifts it to the left, and a negative c shifts it to the right. It's like sliding the whole graph along the x-axis. Now let's talk about amplitude. The amplitude of a trigonometric function tells us how tall the peaks and how deep the troughs are. When we have y equals a sine x, the value of a stretches or compresses the graph vertically. If a is bigger than 1, the amplitude increases. If a is between 0 and 1, the amplitude decreases. Next is the period. The period tells us how long it takes for the function to complete one full cycle. With y equals sine bx, changing b changes the period of the function. The period is 2 pi over the absolute value of b. So if b is greater than 1, the period gets shorter, and if b is less than 1, the period gets longer. Finally, let's discuss reflections. If you see a function like y equals minus sine x, it reflects the graph over the x-axis. If it's y equals sine minus x, it reflects over the y-axis. These reflections flip the graph in interesting ways. To sum it up, here's how each transformation works. 1. Vertical shift moves the graph up or down. 2. Horizontal shift slides the graph left or right. 3. Amplitude stretches or compresses the graph vertically. 4. Period affects the length of one cycle. 5. Reflection flips the graph over the x-axis or y-axis. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the transformations of trigonometric functions. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.